Are you tired of Antifa?
Hey, is your community safe from progressives?
Do you crave security?
Luxury homes nestled in a secure military base for the elite.
No unauthorized visitors without a prearranged path.
Bomber's elite community.
The only luxury community created in a live bombing range.
And don't worry about those fake news helicopters in the restricted no-fly zone.
Our record for mishaps is almost as low as pandemic rates. Masks are optional except in chemical testing.
You'll love the safety and security of Bomber's elite community. It's peace of mind with a vengeance.
Call us today to arrange a free tour with approved income.
Some restrictions may apply. Must be snobby and four comma income. We do not discriminate. All money is welcome. No responsible for hearing damage.
DRJ Studio, LLC, near Richmond, Missouri.